Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're checking out the BenQ GS50, an incredible portable projector designed for outdoor movie nights, gaming, and so much more. Before we dive in, make sure to check the link below to get this fantastic projector today at the best price available. The BenQ GS50 is not your ordinary projector, it's a wireless 1080p projector with 4K support, making it perfect for sharp and vibrant visuals whether you're streaming movies, playing games, or projecting a slideshow. It comes equipped with an extra bass Bluetooth speaker, providing powerful sound to match the stunning visuals. Whether it's a backyard party or a cozy night under the stars, this projector delivers an immersive experience. Designed with durability in mind, it's IPX2 splash resistant and drop resistant, so you can take it outdoors without worrying about accidents. Plus, with Wi-Fi and Android TV integration, you can easily access your favorite streaming platforms like Netflix, YouTube, and more. The GS50 is compact and portable, with a built-in battery that ensures up to 2.5 hours of playtime, perfect for a movie marathon without the hassle of power cords. Key features: 1080p resolution with 4K support for incredible picture quality. Extra bass Bluetooth speaker for rich, powerful sound. Splash and drop resistance for outdoor reliability. Wi-Fi and Android TV for seamless streaming. Portable design with a built-in battery for ultimate convenience. If you're looking for a projector that combines stunning visuals, powerful audio, and portability, the BenQ GS50 is an excellent choice for both indoor and outdoor use. Before you go, don't forget to hit the link below to grab this amazing portable projector today at the best price. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.